Good evening, students. How to find the dimensional formula? Dimensional formula of area. Dimensional formula of area. Area formula. Area equal to length into breadth. Length dimensional formula L, breadth dimensional formula L square. Area dimensional formula m power 0, L power 0, L square t power 0. Dimensional formula force. Dimensional formula force. Force equal to mass into acceleration. Mass unit kg, acceleration unit meter per second square, kilogram meter second inverse 2 kilogram. Mass unit, mass dimensional formula m, meter distance unit, distance dimensional formula L, second time unit, time dimensional formula t power minus 2, m power 1, L power 1, t power minus 2.